Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
I was out of my business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
There's a kid in here! Sweet monster in the sky!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one.
Decon unit charged and ready. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. I have the girl's picture. Affirmative, all the negatives, number one.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
2319!
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My lucky!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We responded to it.
You all have to get decontaminated.
Where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly left the team
Never saw a human child in Monstropolis.
Always was!
People, that's right, nothing to see here.